To begin with, I humbly thank you for the support extended by you, sir. And as far as the state is concerned, sir, from a capacity that, because we've actually suffered from a situation, sir, where we have no tertiary care, because we've had Hyderabad before the bifurcation, and unfortunately, post-bifurcation, we do not have tier one cities like Hyderabad or Bangalore or Chennai, sir. So in spite of that, we've done reasonably well, sir, because thanks to your guidance, we've followed the policy of establishing grammar secretariats in every village, which actually helped in curtailing the spread of the virus, sir. Wherein, so far we've done 12 house-to-house surveys, sir, wherein people were identified at the initial stages itself, and focused testing only on these people helped us curtail this pandemic to a very large degree, sir. Sir, having said all these things, sir, as you're well aware, sir, vaccination is the only solution, and that you've been repeatedly saying a number of times. In this background, sir, I'd just like to make a few suggestions here, sir. Sir, and as far as the doses received and administered are concerned, sir, we have received 1,68,46,210 doses, sir, and we have administered 1,76,70,642, sir, beyond what was supplied to us from the savings that we could actually do this, sir. Sir, having said this, sir, one small suggestion is, sir, for the month of July, we have been allotted 53,14,740 vaccines, sir. Sir, here I'd just like to make one suggestion, sir, that for the state of Andhra Pradesh, for private hospitals, 17,71,580 doses have also been earmarked. But in reality, sir, these private hospitals are not fully vaccinating their capacity, sir. In June, if you were to see, sir, when compared to the 17,71,580 doses that private hospitals were earmarked for the month of July, they could only vaccinate only 4,20,209 thus far, sir. So what my humble submission is, whatever these people have been earmarked for, and whatever these people are not able to proceed for vaccination, if that quota could be reallotted to the state government, sir, it would help state government in doing a better job. This is one humble suggestion, sir. By and large, your support has been very appreciative, sir. Thank you, sir.